If your marriage feels like it's hanging by a thread, if the distance is growing between you and your wife, and the tension is thick and the silence is deafening, you're not alone. I talk to men every week who are waking up in the middle of relationship fog wondering, what the hell happened to us? How did I become the guy that she can't talk to or trust? How is it that she won't touch me? And is there any way that I can fix this without losing myself in the process? Well, this isn't going to be easy to hear, but you can't fix your relationship by fixing her. You rebuild it from the inside out. That's why, if you're serious about turning this around, not just surviving, but transforming, there are 5 core shifts you must make. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach. And number 1, you have to stop chasing, start leading. When a woman feels like you're chasing her to feel like you're okay, you stop being the man that she can trust. You become the tail instead of the dog. Leadership means knowing who you are, what you stand for, and where you're going, and inviting her along, not dragging her there. Number 2, the need for validation. Drop it. Drop the need for validation. Anchor instead in self-worth. If your peace rises and falls with her mood, you're living like there's a thermostat that she controls. You don't need her to approve of you to believe in yourself. Validation, it's a gift, not a requirement. Number 3, stop managing her and manage yourself. Her anger, her distance, her emotions, those are hers. Your power comes from managing the only person you ever could, and that's you. Your thoughts, your energy, your presence. Be the mountain, not the weather. Number 4, speak truth over comfort. Most men avoid conflict by avoiding truth. But truth is what creates safety, not silence. You can't build intimacy by editing yourself to keep the peace. Real love requires truth, and real men tell it with calm, not control. Number 5, detach from outcome and connect to purpose. The minute you make reconciliation your mission, you'll lose yourself trying to control the uncontrollable. Detach from her decisions. Reconnect to your purpose. That's when you become magnetic again, not desperate. And these 5 shifts, they change everything. Not just your marriage, but your entire sense of self. I've helped hundreds of men do this work. Some saved their marriages, some didn't. But all of them became the men that they could respect again. And that's the win you can control. So, this is your wake-up call. Stop waiting, stop spinning, and start leading. Lead yourself by going to happymancoaching.com and book a free Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's cut to the core of what's going on. Let's get down and get clear about what you really want for yourself and your marriage. After that call, I guarantee you're going to feel more calm, more confident, more grounded, more clear. And I'll also tell you how you can join a community of men who are doing the exact same thing. In fact, you can join our weekly group calls where we have these types of honest conversations with each other every week. So, if you're ready to become that happy man again, go to happymancoaching.com, book that call, and let's talk.